My GE upright freezer temp monitor alarm is buzzing. I don't have a manual and need to know what's causing it and how to troubleshoot. Thanks.
Hello, my name is you for choosing our service. Take a look at the lower rear part of the inside of the freezer wall. Can you scrape any frost at all from that part or any part of the rear inside wall? If you find nothing, go around and look at the compressor. There's a tray attached to the side of it. Is there a lot of water in that tray? Thanks, Barry.
Hi Barry, thanks for responding. There is no frost at all and no water in the tray. What should I check next?
Turn it back on and check to see if the freezer fan comes on. It should blow air out the top rear. You are welcome. Brian was in a car accident 2 days ago, so I had to give a little time to see if he was going to respond. I know he is home and sore. Thanks, Barry.
I turned it back on and the fan came on. I've added a pic of the freezer info as a reference. I hope this info helps you help me. Goodness, I hope Brian will be okay.
Thank you. The FUF was there. There are only 2 FFU or FUF. It was not hard to figure out which because only one along with the rest of the numbers will bring up a diagram. This is what I would do. Unplug the freezer and remove that lower inside rear panel there where your temperature control is. Make everything safe and turn it on for 30 minutes. Or not even all the way out, just enough to be able to see the coils behind it. Be careful because part of the temperature control is mounted to the coils behind the panel, so you will be restricted in how much you can move it. Don't tug on it. Take your time, don't get in a rush. After 30 minutes, take a look at the coils. Are those lightly frosted from top to bottom? I will be here for hours, so take all the time you need. He is okay, nothing broken, just really sore. Thanks, Barry.
Okay, will do and report back.
Thank you, be here.
I just gained access and am now waiting 30 minutes. I'll be back in 29 minutes to report. Thanks.
I understand. I am going to take a quick break, but I will be back before then. You are welcome. Barry.
The test is complete and the answer is no. I uploaded a pic.
That is why it is buzzing. The air is not cold enough. The problem is that there is a coolant leak. Those coils should be lightly frosted all over. Only low coolant will do that. Here is the bad part, it gets worse. There are lines in the walls of the freezer that cannot be accessed. It has been my experience that most all of the coolant leaks in this model are in the wall and cannot be accessed. The repairs too, if available for the model, are to eliminate the coils in the walls and install a new set attached to the rear outside wall. By the time you put that much into it, you can almost purchase a freezer. If it were me, I would not make that repair. I would get a new one with a warranty. That is what I would do. If you have any questions, please ask. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Thanks, Barry.
Yikes. I had hoped it was going to be a simple repair. If I leave the freezer plugged up and running to transfer to my fridge, How much time do I have before it goes kaput?
I would guess no more than a few days. It really depends on the size of the leak. You might leave it running longer and see if they get white, but I would be truly surprised if they do. It is an expensive repair. Most always it is something simple, but when I see coils looking like that, I know right away what that is. I know it is bad news, it's the worst news. All I can do is give you the best advice I can. I really think you would come out better getting a new freezer. Too many possible problems involved with that type of repair, and it is too expensive. Thanks, Barry.
Okay, thanks. I need a day or so to relocate the contents and research a replacement. This unit was built in 1998, and I got it used from a previous owner for like $150, so far I can't complain. Thanks for your help and standing in for Brian.
You are welcome, thank you for the opportunity. I got an Idealis chest freezer that is mid-size with a 5-year warranty on everything from the manufacturer, not a purchased warranty, for $250 at Lowe's recently. I thought it was a good deal. I did not look at the upright freezers to see those prices, but that warranty caught my attention. Most everyone offers only a year. Take care and have a nice rest of the Sunday, Barry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.